At AM.CO.za, we offer 4 and 6 panel silk screen machines at exceptional prices. And they are easy to assemble. Just follow the instructional video on #sorted. It is applicable for both machines. We also stock a large variety of accessories for screen printing, such as aluminium screen frames, 400 by 500mm inner size, durable 45mm aluminium screen blockout tape, which comes in packs of 5, full aluminium 350mm wide V-shape emulsion scoop coaster with rubber edge, 340mm wood screen printing squeegees, which come in packs of 4, A4 size waterproof transparent paper for inkjet or laser printer in 100 sheet packs, white 120 nylon mesh for water-based ink paste, 127 centimeters wide by 40 meters, and white 250 nylon mesh for plastisol ink paste, also 127 centimeters wide by 40 meters. And we also stock a wide range of plastisol and water-based ink paste. So, if you are an avid screen printer fanatic, you're welcome to call us for more information. Just call sales on 060 600 6000.
In 2020, we celebrate 8 years in business, heading toward infinity and beyond. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.